guys, welcome back to my channel. And right now I'm going to talk to you guys about this hair, and this is the Jessica Hair Wig that I purchased from Amazon for only $130. Yes, $130 this wig cost me, and it's been a week. This is going to be the 1 week update, and I'm actually absolutely loving this wig. I'll put all details on the screen as well as in the bottom bar because I don't think I can remember it that well, but because I purchased it a while ago. But this is 16 inches and 130% density if I remember correctly. Now you guys will see me bleaching the knots, and they bleached pretty decently. I didn't do the popcorn method with this hair, so it wasn't really that even, but that was fine enough for me because they are still concealed pretty well. And I actually, well, you guys will see me define the curls as well. This is those same curls after 1 week. I defined them a little bit further with my Diva Curl cream, the Super Curl cream, and it worked wonders. Like that Annie Jackie's conditioner mixed with that curl cream and the refresher spray is just A1. My curls were looking so beautiful, so delicious, and so tropical like the entire week. And I don't even need to like do my curls over. All I had to do is like probably spray the refresher spray on it, and then it's good to go. In terms of tangling, I don't really bother with my hair throughout the day, but as you can expect, you'll have some tangling in the back, but it's not that bad. You can see my hand is getting some tension as I try to pull through the back, but it's only like a little small piece of tangling in the back there. Like it starts really like right here, right at the back, and I can just, claw my way through. But at the nape, I'm not getting any problems. Like my hand just glides straight from the nape and goes to the end right here. So that is pretty good for 1 week, moving up and down, rubbing against clothes and everything, because even though it's quarantine, I still have to go to work. So I'm at work every day with this hair, out in the sun, running errands and stuff. But yeah, this hair is holding up really well. I'm very impressed with the hairline, and this is with just bleaching, and I did a little bit of tinting, but this is like no makeup, no anything, and I am loving it. The density is amazing. It's very natural, not too thick and like overbearing or anything. And the curls, I just love this curl pattern. Like you could opt for looser curls if you don't like use a diffuser or anything, or curl cream or the Denman brush, or you can opt for these tighter curls that you can get with the Denman brush, or using your diffuser. Now shedding, I really don't get much shedding. Well, I don't get any shedding because like I said, I don't play with the hair during the day or anything. I got some initial shedding when I first washed and bleached the hair and everything, but that's expected because bleaching the knots does weaken them and it can cause some shedding with the hair, so that's expected. But ever since then, I've gotten nothing. The detangling process is really smooth and simple with this hair. Like I don't really have any issues to talk about. Now with shipping with this company, they do have pretty good customer service. When I ordered it at the time, they shipped it out really quickly because this is listed as one of the Prime items, and I do have Amazon Prime. So it shipped out pretty quickly, but for some reason, Amazon felt that it was lost because it was taking a little bit too long to get to me. I don't even think it had been a week yet, but because it was on Prime, it's supposed to come in like 2 days. I guess they said, well, the package might be lost. So I applied for a refund, got the refund, and then the wig actually showed up. So yeah, I got my refund extremely fast. So if it does get lost in the mail, which I'm pretty sure is a rare occurrence because the reviews are pretty good on this wig, but if that does happen to you, you don't have to worry. You will get your money back very quickly from Amazon. The products that I use on this hair, like I said, I use the Annie Jackie's conditioner, as well as I just used a random shampoo that I had It was the macadamia nut shampoo. I use that to clear out the hair and everything. My Denman brush, my Diva Curl Super Cream, and the Curl Refresher Spray, and that was it. Yeah, this hair is very, very low maintenance for curly hair. Extremely low maintenance, and I love that. So far, so good with this hair. So I'll probably update you guys like in a month, because you guys know that hair could change. What? But nobody on the road. Okay, mommy, be quiet now. You interrupted my video. Anyway, so yeah, that is about it for this hair. I'm going to update you guys like in a month or so, because you guys know that hair can change at any point in time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, I'll touch you guys soon.